Hey everyone, it's Shirley with Unboxing a Brand. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a meal delivery service called Freshly. So it's been a hot minute since I've done an unboxing video on Freshly, so much so that they've already upgraded their logo. What Freshly does is that they deliver chef-cooked meals straight to your door, and they are delivered unfrozen, which makes a big difference because when foods are frozen and you thaw it and you eat it, you can definitely tell the difference in both texture and taste. So there are a couple different options when you place your order. They are a weekly delivery service, and you can choose which day of the week you want your box to be delivered. Our day is on Friday. You can choose from 4 meals or 6 meals, 10 meals, or 12 meals. And obviously every time you go up in meals, the price per meal goes down. Okay, so let's cut open the box here. When you first open it, you're gonna get your packing slip. And then when you open your box, this is an insulation that is earth-friendly inside and out. And they show you how you can recycle it on here. You have to cut it open. You place the biodegradable denim in the trash. So the filling that's inside here is actually made of biodegradable denim. And then the number 4 plastic bag you can recycle. Next layer you'll see is a huge ice block. So this also says earth friendly inside and out. Reuse me, store in your freezer as an ice pack. Recycle me, defrost gel pack, cut corner and discard non-toxic water soluble gel and trash. And this bag here is also made of number 4 plastic. We actually have several of these saved in our freezer. We use it in our insulated shopping bags and as well as when we go on picnics in the spring and summer. So let's go ahead and dive into our meals. This is a 10 meal plan. They have several different options for you to choose from for the meals when you go onto their website. They have the signature collection, which is their tried and true meals. They have what's called a crafted classics, which is taste of home. They have a freshly fit, which is carb smart and protein rich. And they have a section called takeout twist, which is one of my favorite sections. And this is their cult faves made better. So I think I chose a pretty good selection here based on all their different options. I don't think I chose anything from their freshly fit section, but oh well. Okay, so let's just take a look at the first bowl. This bowl we've ordered many times already. This is the 3-bean ancho turkey chili bowl. And on the back here, there are nutrition facts here if you are curious to see what they are or keeping count of your calories. They do come in plastic trays, and these are number 5 trays. It looks a little bit funky now, but they encourage you to take it out and place it on a real plate when you warm it up. And what you do is you pop one of these in a microwave for about 3 minutes, I think they say, and it's good to go. Our next meal that we ordered is from their takeout twist, and this is the K-Town pork and purple sticky rice. We've also ordered this one numerous times before. This is one of my favorites. Again, I'll try to show you what these look like at the end of the video so that you get to see what they look like when it's opened. The next meal is a Crafted Classics meal, and this is the golden oven fried chicken and mash meal. This next meal is one of my husband's favorites. This is the Seer top blade steak meal. I think this might be a new section, but it says fork and flavor. And we actually had to pay extra for this because it's so special. I guess the quality of meat in this one is a lot better than the rest. So when you ordered this was an additional $2.50. I have yet to try it, but we did order 2 of them this time so that I could try it. And then next layer, just another layer of ice. So this is still like frozen solid. So after that, you see the rest of your meal. So this is the second meal. I'm really curious to try it because my husband was like, oh, we should get 2 of them next time. Okay, next one is also a bowl. This is a white bean turkey chili bowl. And they do have new meals every week. So that's really cool. You can switch up your meals every week. This next one is a savory sweet chicken teriyaki bowl. This one I've also ordered. I got it last week, and the rice is mixed in with the veggies, and the rice is like almost like a sticky rice. It's so good. Okay, so that's that. And then, ooh, I did order something from Freshly Fit. Okay, so this is their Freshly Fit meal, and this is an oven-baked chicken Florentine with cream, spinach, and Parmesan. 2 more. This is the Philly-ish cheesesteak. I don't think we've ordered this one before, but this is with masterful mash and butternut spiked sauce. And then the last meal is a Freestyle beef lasagna. I really wanted to try this one. So this is from their Crafted Classics collection. Oh, if you're curious, there's another ice pack at the very bottom of the box. So each box you would get about 3 of these. All right, so let's give these meals a try, and this is what this one looks like when you open it. We love ordering from Freshly. The last time I did an unboxing video of Freshly, I think was maybe a year ago, and I'll link it up here if you want to take a look. Since I've made that video, we've constantly placed orders with them. I want to say almost every week for like the last year. Even though these are microwave meals, they're not frozen. We do have a pretty busy schedule, and we recently had a baby. So with COVID, everything, we don't really have a nanny or anybody close by that can help help us. We're both working from home right now and we're also taking care of our baby. So having these meals on hand has been a lifesaver because we just don't have to think about cooking or anything. We just pop one of these in a microwave and there goes our lunch. And sometimes we have these for dinner too. Don't get me wrong, we do love cooking, but sometimes you just don't have the time. So let's give these meals a try and take a closer look. Here's a closer look at some of the meals heated up. We usually warm up the meals in the tray so that there are less dishes to do. I plated these meals here so that they look semi-decent for the video. Here's how I like to eat this chili bowl that we order on the regular. I love to add more cheddar cheese with slices of avocado and top with sour cream. I don't even bother with utensils, I just go in with some tortilla chips. With these meals, you can of course add your own ingredients as you see fit. With Freshly, I love that we don't have to think about what to cook. We get our weekly delivery on Fridays, and there are times when we run out of the meals by Monday. One of the downsides, perhaps, is that the portions are sometimes a bit small. For instance, I wish they would add more rice to some of the dishes. In addition, you also don't get an email reminder every week to choose your meals. So if one of your meals from the current week is no longer available, they will automatically choose a meal for you on your behalf. As I'm editing this video, I realized that you can also get $15 back with Rakuten, so make sure to activate that before placing your first order. If you're not already signed up with Rakuten, do so now as you get cash back just for shopping at places you already go to normally, and there are no strings attached. See my link below to sign up, and you can also get an additional $30 back. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to give Freshly a try, be sure to click on the link below. I think you get a small discount with your first order. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!